I was appointed as the volunteer representative on the board of directors for 2 years. And so, of course, I got to meet Mrs. Johnson. We had a lot of interesting conversations. She really was wonderful. She would come out here. We always knew she was coming because the radios would crackle and say, "The Secret Service here," and she would arrive. People would stop her and talk to her, and she was always gracious. She never turned anybody away. She knew everything about all the plants. Her mother died when she was very young, and she was looked after by a rather fragile old aunt. She had a couple of older brothers, so she was obviously a very lonely child. So she spent a lot of time out in the wood. That was where her love of nature came from. And then, of course, she went to the University of Texas here in Austin, and that was where she met Lyndon Johnson. When she took him home to her father, his comment was, "You finally brought a man home." Once Lyndon Johnson became the President of the United States, the cause that she wanted was beauty in America. Mrs. Johnson passed away in 2007. The November before that, 2006, was when Wildflower Center joined with UT. Mrs. Johnson had always wanted that because it's her alma mater. She went away when she had fulfilled her dream of starting her center, of joining with UT. 25 years celebrated, and a beautiful display. It just showed what an impact that lady had. She was the Queen of Texas. She really was. She will be always remembered for what she's done for our planet, for her rapport with people. It's just beautiful.